still give us a fighting chance going to the next round. We're 2 games behind from the 4th seed. So yun, maganda pa naman ang chances natin.
Coach, career high from Harvey. Can you talk about yung leadership niya and yung takeover move niya this game?
Si Harvey naman very aggressive. He work on his game. And ang hinahanap ko naman sa kanya is to stop the best wing guy of the other team. He's a defensive player, and then luckily for today, nakashoot siya ng 20 points. He got 20 points.
Coach, yung Baste, yung usually main guys doon, sina Ares, sina Librico, siguro ano na lang po yung game plan po ninyo to stop them, to stop them making productions po?
Game plan is to limit their touches and how they create for their self and for their teammates. So yun yung binawasan namin. So good thing nag-work naman.
Coach, we all know na yung 4th quarter is San Sebastian's favorite. Then around 6 minutes of the game, you still chipped in King Ortiza and Kaido Chavo, even though yung gap is around 16 points. So
yeah, that was 17 nung pinasa ko sila. Actually, that was 17 kasi we need to finish strong. Alam mo, sa scouting report naman, kita-kita ko naman na yung Baste talagang umahabol yan. Down 26 against CSB, they almost have a chance to win the game. So I keep on reminding them sa halftime and then sa start ng 4th quarter that we need to start strong in the 4th. Don't commit errors, don't give them easy baskets. And may part nga na sunod-sunod yung shoot ni Escobedo. That's why nag-time out ako to remind them.
Coach, yun nga na-mention kanina si Harvey. Was there any special instruction for him considering na in today's game, considering na sabi mo nga you guys badly needed this win? Was there an instruction for him to be more ball dominant and to be more assertive on offense?
The instruction naman to all the players to be aggressive on both ends. We have our game plans to stop yung mga key players na kalaban nyo na sila Ares, Librico, Gapat Brothers, Aguilar. So kailangan is a total team effort. We work on our defense first before yung sa opensa namin. Yun naman, nag-work naman yung offense namin with our running game.
Harvey, sabi ni Coach Codo, defensive-minded player, pero this game, parang your karera ay sa iya. Ano masasabi ko sa nilaro mo today?
Yun nga, siguro sinabi ni Coach, main focus ko yung depensa kasi madaming main scorer sa amin. So siguro hinihintay ko lang din na dumating yung laro sa akin na hindi ko hinahanap.
Harvey, thoughts mo lang na as the second round comes in a few days, very much alive pa rin yung for Final Four kahit hindi masyado maganda yung start ninyo. You guys are picking up at the right time sa end of first round.
Yun nga, siguro madami kaming lapses nung first round. Siguro yun yung kailangan namin baguhin sa this coming second round.
Coach,